Hi, I'm Michelle, and today I'll be showing you in detail how you can start up your very own LLC in Rhode Island. We'll be covering the steps involved in starting your LLC, the forms you're going to need, the naming requirements, and how to actually register your LLC. I'll also be explaining the importance of having a registered agent and a very key term known as piercing the corporate veil. Now, these 2 points are absolutely something you don't want to miss. If you look at Rhode Island's insights, it's one of the smallest states in the USA, but it has the largest opportunities for businesses. Industries are established in the state and are thriving well due to the business environment and the incentives being offered. One of Rhode Island's most prominent players is tourism. The state's total contribution to this country is around $5 billion, and the reason behind this is the top-class tourism spots within the state. You can start your Rhode Island LLC by 3 methods. Number 1 is you can do it yourself, and all you need to do is fill out the forms online, or you can send them off via mail. Number 2 is that you hire a professional service to do it for you, which is the most easy and secure method out there. We recommend Zen Business as one of the best and the most affordable services for this purpose. Number 3 is that you can go ahead and hire an attorney. So what is an LLC? It's a very important question. An LLC is a hybrid business entity combining a corporation characteristics with a partnership or sole proprietorship. It separates your personal assets from your business assets and gives you personal asset protection. So when you're starting off your LLC in Rhode Island, you mainly have to file your certificate of formation with the state and pay a filing fee of $150. Let's talk a bit about Zen Business. You're getting 3 plans: a starter plan, a pro plan, and a premium plan. It's perhaps the only formation service company that offers 3 important features in all of its plans. The starter plan has all the essential services required to form your LLC. It's a very suitable plan for you if you want something very budget friendly, and it starts off at $0. However, you do have to pay the mandatory state filing fees. It's very cost effective and offers you all the essential services like a registered agent and an operating agreement draft. The second plan is the Pro plan. It offers some essential services along with the main services offered within the starter plan. So in the Pro plan, it takes lesser time to form your LLC. So what are you getting? You're getting an advertising consultant, you're getting annual compliance, and expedited filing process. The third plan is the Premium plan. It's the costliest plan offered by Zen Business. The Premium plan offers almost all the services related to the formation of an LLC, in addition to the services mentioned in the first 2 plans, which was the starter plan and the pro plan. It offers you a faster filing process, business website, domain, and your very own email address. But in this video, we're going to discuss options number 1 and number 2, and we're going to place importance on why exactly do you need a professional service to do everything for you. Zen Business is a very competent professional service which you can get, because forming your LLC is not just filing the certificate of formation, but it's also deciding on a name, hiring a registered agent, creating an operating agreement, and obtaining an EIN. Now, all of these can be done super easily with Zen Business. I'm going to be leaving the links in the description below. You can go there, check out which of the options fit you. I'm now going to give you an in-depth look into the 5 important steps that you must cover when you're forming your LLC. Now, the first step to starting off your Rhode Island LLC is to choose a business name. Now, before you name your business, you need to know that the name should be easy to remember, available in the state, and follows the LLC naming guidelines. You can find the naming guidelines at llcbuddy.com. The specific requirements that need to be followed when naming your company is number 1, your business name should be available, and no other existing business can share that name in Rhode Island. Each business name is very unique to its owner. Number 2 is that limited liability company or LLC should be there as a suffix within the company name. Number 3 is that you cannot use any name for your business that could be confusing or could be misleading. So terms like Treasury, State Department, FBI, CIA, they should not be included. Number 4 is that terms like bank, university, attorney, doctor, they can be added, but only after the additional requirements by the Rhode Island state government are fulfilled. Now, suppose you don't want to file your LLC right now, but you want to hold on to the name you have decided. Then you can reserve your LLC name for 120 days. And it's going to cost you $50. The second and a very critical step to forming your LLC in Rhode Island is to appoint a registered agent. A registered agent is an entity that's going to act and work on your LLC's behalf. Now, this person or business is going to receive all the important paperwork and all the official government correspondence. You need to make sure your registered agent is a resident of Rhode Island or at least has a physical street address there. Their business address is going to be used as the LLC's principal address within Rhode Island. Now, most LLC formation companies do also provide registered agent services, such as Zen Business. Now, Zen Business provides registered agent service as an add-on to the formation package, but you can also purchase it as a standalone service. A very important thing to note when you're getting a registered agent is having a legit one, because in case you get sued, the lawyer of the other party is going to do what is known as piercing the corporate will. Now, most people believe they're setting up their LLCs for tax purposes, but the real reason for setting up your LLC is to limit your liability. Basically, what it does is that it creates a divide between your personal assets and your business assets. So if you're sued in your business, they can't go after your personal assets. So if you're sued, attorney is the one suing you. They're going to start looking for little cracks in your LLC, and this is where they pierce the corporate will. The first thing they're going to check is, do you have a registered agent? Is the agent legit? And have they been filing the paperwork? The third and another important step in forming your LLC is to file your certificate of formation. The Rhode Island Articles of Organization is a legal document needed to officially register your business with the Secretary of State. It's going to cost you $150 if you do it by mail and $208 if you go online. The certificate of formation includes details like the name of your LLC, registered agent's name, address, employee details, and the structure of your company. Are you member managed or are you manager managed? So before you start hiring employees in Rhode Island, you should really know about the rules and regulations there to avoid any future issues. We personally suggest using Zen Business to file the certificate of formation because they provide an easier way to fill out the forms without any confusion or missing any step. If you happen to get stuck anywhere, they have a great customer support service where you can go ask your questions and they will respond to you. The fourth step is filing your operating agreement. An operating agreement is an internal document that legally outlines the proprietorship and the operating procedures of your LLC. This document is very vital as it ensures that all the business owners are on the same page regarding how they operate, their voting power, business resolutions, and a lot more. This helps reduce future conflicts. So when it comes to filing your Rhode Island LLC operating agreement, the state doesn't really want you to have a very comprehensive operating agreement, but it is ideal to have one that contains the details of your business operation. It's recommended that it should be done by using a professional service like Zen Business. Since they know exactly what to do, you won't have to worry about missing any detail. They provide the service as an add-on to your formation package for a very small fee. The EIN is also known as the Employer Identification Number. It's a number given by the IRS to make it easier to identify businesses for tax purposes. The EIN is necessary for any active business out there. So when do you need one? You need it when your LLC is going to start hiring employees. To obtain it, all you have to do is fill up a form which you can do online or by mail and submit it to the IRS. You can also get an EIN through Zen Business and they can help you with the process as well. I'll be leaving the links to all the resources in the description below. You can go there, check out which of the options fit your requirements. But for now, I'm going to be showing you how you can file the forms using Zen Business. Now, this is the main page for Zen Business. You can type up your business name and you can have a search over there and you can start off your LLC. Pick out the state you want to start your business in. Now, they're going to run a name check, see if it's available or not in the first place. Do you have any prior business experience? Let them know if you're going to have any employees as well. Let them know if you want to have any physical location other than your home. So like if you're setting up a shop or you're going to be operating from home. Let them know what stage of business you're at. Let them know what your goals are. Is it a side business, primary income, or is it something new completely? Pick a category. Check if you want to save your progress or not. Now, they're even recommending you get a registered agent, and I really recommend you do. Do you need an EIN and business documents? Like I said in the video, you really should go through that rather than going to the IRS website and possibly making any mistake that could cost you your filing entirely. This is where they're going to tell you all of their packages. They have the starter plan, the pro plan, and the premium plan. This is going to break it down for you. The pro plan is going to cost you $199 per year. It has its advantages. You can go through the full package detail as well. Zen Business Money Pro is an added feature which helps you manage your money and finances all in one place. Check if you want to get the expedited or rush filing. If you're in a hurry, you can go for it. If you're not and you can wait a couple of days, I recommend you do that. They also offer online tools like your custom website, domain name, privacy, email address. So if you're looking for that, you can add that on as well. Check if you want a customized operating agreement. Like I said earlier, it's better if you have one. Select if you want annual verification compliance. It's really up to you. It's basically them handling your annual taxes. Fill out your information here that they require, name and suffix, whatever they need, email and number. Review your order, see if you have anything you want to check or if you want to include anything or take away anything, and then you can just continue to payment, and that's all you need to set up your LLC with Zen Business. Now that you've created your Rhode Island LLC, there's still a few things missing. You need a company business bank account and a business credit card. You need to file a Rhode Island business permits and licenses. You need to get general liability insurance and professional liability insurance, which covers your employees. You need to file the Rhode Island LLC annual report every single year. I really hope you enjoyed this comprehensive video on how to start off your LLC, and I wish you the best of luck if you're starting off your business in Rhode Island. Please continue supporting our channel by liking the video, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the notification button. Thank you for watching.